Hello, my dear students. Welcome to online accountancy class. In this session, we are going to consider theory-based accounting, mainly fill in the blanks. But before going to that theory-based accounting, we want to consider that is realization account for recapitulation. So let's see the realization account. We already did that account, but once more we want to consider. Now this is our realization account. Already I told there are phase related to asset side, phase related to liability side. This is called primary phases. Assets are holding debit nature. Transferring these assets or closing asset purposes, we have to credit it, realization account debit to various assets. But when you consider these are the assets, you have to remember no cash, no bank balance, no fictitious assets like profit and loss debit balance or partner's current account debit balance or loan to partner. These are all we own consider. Reason behind is that like as we have to open the cash and bank, that is third ledger, and the other fictitious asset we have to transfer to partner's capital account, like partner's capital account debit to that type of fictitious asset account, profit and loss or advertisement suspense, whatever may be. So that is the like transferring entry of asset or closing entry of asset. Exactly reverse side, liabilities are holding like credit nature. To close that liability, we have to make it debit. So therefore, various liabilities account debit to realization account. This is the various liability, including provision related any asset like provision for bad and doubtful debt, provision for depreciation, investment fluctuation reserve. Also here we can consider this side. So these are all like, but excluding here, that is partner's capital account or any other undistributed profit related to owners. Owner means here partners. So here, like as we are opening partner's capital account, and undistributed profit also goes to partner's capital account. Therefore, we no need to open that. No need to transfer here. They are the account. So this is the primary phases. First phase, conversion or transfer of asset to realization, transfer of liability. Now like a reverse entry, if cash inflow is there this side for like sale of any asset, if any recovery is there, if any inflow of cash is there, that time buy side, buy cash or bank account. If any asset take over by any partner, then buy partner's capital. So very simple, buy cash or bank, buy partner's capital. This side also to cash or bank to partner's capital, to cash or bank to partner's capital. That is for related to liability. If liability paid, then to cash or bank. If liability take over, then to partner's capital. And here dissolution expenses, that is payment regarding that administrative expenditure, solicitor fees or any other administrative expenditure which will come as realization expenses. We have to consider two sides, because when it is two side, that is called outflow of cash. Now afterward we'll compare which side is heavier, credit or debit. If credit side heavier, then profit arises. If debit side is heavier, then loss arises. So this account, that is a prime account of this chapter, dissolution of partnership firm. Like we have to learn carefully this ledger, then automatically other 2-3 ledger we can maintain. So therefore again I repeated that ledger. Now we'll go for theory-based accounting related to this chapter, mainly fill in the blanks, and this is related to numerical problem also. This is the first question. When any asset is taken over by a partner at the time of dissolution of partnership firm, then dash account will be debited. When any asset is taken over, like building, plant, machine, whatever may be the asset, if that is taken over by a partner at the time of closing of this business, then dash account will be debited. So when it is sale, that time we know bank account debit, and sale bank account debit to realization. Now when takeover, what will be the entry here? In this time, the cash inflow is not there. So here, partner's capital, it is like partner's capital will arise at that time. So the student have to answer this question. That's what will be debited. Now after that, second question. In case of resolution of partnership firm, provision for doubtful debt is transferred to dash account. So here generally three account is there. One is the realization account, that is the main account, main ledger. Another that is partner's capital account, and third one cash or bank account. So at the time of closing of business, the provision for doubtful debt we have to transfer in which particular account? Realization account, partner's capital account, or cash account, which is correct. We already we already discussed in case of realization account that these are the things like external liability you have to transfer, external liability that is creditor BP, along with some provision. So from that viewpoint, from practical viewpoint, the answer will come automatically. The student can easily answer. So where you have to transfer. So next question will go. Next question, there is dissolution of partnership may or may not involve dash of the partnership firm. Dissolution of partnership means like agreement is being closed. The agreement changes due to admission, due to retirement, due to death, or it may be change in profit sharing ratio. So that is called dissolution of partnership. So which may or may not involve dash of the firm. So that answer also, it is a known answer. Here when like we discuss about the theoretical part, distinction between dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm. So that is related to that question. A student, I think so, can remember that point. So a student will have to answer. Next question, very simple question. Question number 4. Realization account is dash in nature. Here types of account, here personal, real, nominal, which nature, and we know that is realization and revaluation are same nature, and so many times we answer that is revaluation account is a dash type of nature. It is not personal, it is not real, but it is like revaluation is nominal. So what will be the realization? Now next question. Loss of realization account is debited to partner's capital account in the dash. Like if profit or loss arises, that time what will be the entry? If you know the entry, then it will be easy to answer. So loss of realization account is debited to partner's capital account. We know when loss arises, that time partner's capital account debit to realization. So here it is both are provided, realization account debited to partner's capital account in the dash. So what will be the answer here? Learner have to select the answer. It is easy, like some ratio, all this will be answer here. So that is a fill in the blanks type of question, short question. Now we are going to conclude this session. Just don't have to answer in Google Classroom. Afterward, I will give the hints or solution of this short question. Thank you. We are going to conclude the session.